both. You know, I'm a dreamer that wants to have the biggest, best shop with the best employees. So I come here as a doer to get the equipment that I know I need now, and also look at the things that I need in the future. We had a product that was taking us 7 minutes to hand deburr. We came here and found equipment that's a tumbler. It deburrs these parts within seconds. So through the years, I've brought many employees to let them see what's out there too. You get tunnel vision when you're in the shop every day, and they don't realize what all's out there. So we use IMTS to educate our employees. When they see that you're advancing the shop, they want to be part of that. They want to be in a company that's progressing all the time. You got to get everybody on board or you're not successful. You know, and like I say, bringing the employees to the tool show, it makes them feel like they're a part of the company, and it helps a bunch with their morale. The dreamer part comes in, you look at equipment that you can't afford right now or doesn't fit your shop, but you know in the future it will. Buying new equipment's like buying your first brand new car or your first brand new house. It's that excitement for anyone that's interested in it, definitely as a business owner, to buy that new piece of equipment that helps your shop do something you weren't able to do before. Chicago's a great place to be. It's one of my favorite cities to come to. The entertainment, the food, everything is just great in Chicago. So it's a big deal just to come here for that too. It's something I look forward to every 2 years. I've been coming since the early 90s, and I've missed very few shows. So it's always, I'm planning the next one as soon as I leave here. IMTS, don't just dream it, do it.
Hanging with the best and brightest delivers. Manufacturing is a buzz where dreamers and doers connect.